No living species of crocodile can be considered truly marine. The normal habitats of a saltwater crocodile are the river, but they are able to swim to the sea. And this is where struggles can take place. A crocodile death roll is a killing technique that can easily tear off a shark's fin. Therefore, if he succeeds in carrying out his attack accurately, the shark will have no chance of surviving. But if events turn around and the crocodile is unaware of the danger, the shark can easily defeat him. Those predators don't think twice before attacking anything that comes into its territory. These scenes are set for an encounter between two of the world's mightiest predators. The boldness of the shark made him attack and bite the crocodile's foot, underestimating his strength. It swims away, but doubles back to test the croc's patience. This time, the crocodile moves ever so slightly and pounces on the shark's tail, causing it to rush and realize the strength of the opponent. The shark hasn't surrendered yet, but it didn't dare to make another attack. A younger shark can easily be eaten by a crocodile. But even in the sea world, a mother always tries to defend her young. And this is where the advantage lies, that it is an amphibian animal. When surrounded by a group of sharks, danger begins to become inevitable. However, none of the sharks dare to approach this beast.